Hello students, today I am going to start the last chapter of sociology of class 11th and it is chapter 10th Indian sociologist. In this chapter we will read about the origin of sociological approach in India as well as the recognized sociologist who had given their contribution in the development of sociology in India. So, as you know, there's sociological thoughts and sociological approach is not a very new matter in India, but it is coming with the ancient history and the past of Indian society. The sociological thinkers were very well known during the any time period of the history in all around the world, and you have listened the name of Gautam Buddha, Mahavir Swami, and after that during the Gupta dynasty, the people or the thinkers like Aryabhatta, Kalidas, Varamihir, these were also very curious for sociology as well as the sociological matters. They have given a lot of to the society, especially uh, in the religious field as well as in the cultural field. During the medieval time period of India, a lot of great personalities have taken the birth and they have contributed their thoughts as well as their work for the development of societies. Among these, you have listened the name of a great person or a religious thinker, Shankaracharya. Acharya Shankar has given a very different thought that was based on the Vedas, and this was called the Advaitvad. After that, you have also listened the name of many Sufi saints, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti, Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki, and on the same time, the great poet and sons like Kabir Das, Rahim Das, and many more scholars. The Tulsi Das was also given a new type of sociological aspect, especially the bhaktism or the devotion for the God in the daily life of human beings. And this you can see in the nowadays also, while the people are early morning chanting the Hanuman Chalisa or Ramcharitmanas or many other poems or poetries which were written by Tulsidas. So these were the some philosophers or some social thinkers in the modern age, during the colonial period as well as the freedom struggle of India, a large number of the Indian freedom fighters and leaders and the social reformers were given their views on the society and on the many social matters. Among these, the names of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Annie Besant, and after that Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, they have given many concepts and ideas for the Indian societies and for the Indian peoples, so that the Indian citizens become more and more modern and more developed in respect of the other people of the worldwide. During the 20 early decades of the 20th century, means 1900, and after that Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dada Bhai Nehroji, and so many other people. These have also contributed their thoughts and the special ideology. The social matters or social issues were discussed by Mahatma Gandhi in their different books and their different speeches. So the society got a different way for the struggle, especially against the Britishers, and this was called the idealism or the Adarshwad, which was launched by Mahatma Gandhi. So this is the also a different type of sociological concept that has originated in India, and on the same time the some new thinkers were working and new philosophers and scholars were also reading a lot of about the worldwide philosophy and religious books and religious matters, political science, as well as the economics and so many other subjects. So the early decades of the 20th century were the introduction of the sociology in India. And on that time, you have listened perhaps that in Bombay University on that time, this was called the Bombay University, the sociology was started as a subject. And initially, this was taught by the European scholars or European professors, but after that, a great personality or the Indian sociologist who was the recognized and with the degrees or the official appointment of the sociologist or a professor of sociology in Mumbai University, and he was Mr. G.S. Ghure. So Mr. G.S. Ghure was the father of Indian sociology, you can say, and he was firstly started the sociology as a subject in Bombay University, and after that, the sociology became a very famous and a very liking subjects in the different universities on that time. Especially, this was started in Calcutta University as well as in Lucknow University, and the people who were given their contribution in the development of sociology and its advertisement among the students, many more people played a vital role, and among these D.N. Majumdar and D.P. Mukherjee, Radhakrishnan Mukherjee, and I have told you earlier that G.S. Ghure. These people were played a very